Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a natural way to remove armpit hair. Alright, and it's just going to be very effective. It's going to delay the growth of a new hair. Anyways, we don't actually want hair around that place, but of course, nature, you can't say no to nature, but of course this treatment is just going to help you so much. So if you want to get rid of armpit hair rapidly, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. Follow me on Instagram, guys. Now let's dive into this video. We're going to be needing carrots. Carrots contains vitamin C, which has healing property. It helps skin recover faster from external wounds and trauma. Beta-carotene in carrot also reduces skin inflammation, which speeds the healing process. And it also helps to tighten up the skin, remove wrinkles, and remove unwanted hair. Now to use our carrot, we would have to crate it, alright, because the blender is actually not closed, so I'm gonna be doing it in a circular motion so I can actually try to make it a little more smooth. Okay, if you're actually creating just like me, you have to be careful, because for me, I'm becoming a professional when it comes to creating things. And we're gonna be needing tomato for this treatment. Tomato is high in lycopene, which helps for sun rays. Okay, using tomato on the skin would help lighten up the skin, and it will protect the skin against ultraviolet light. It helps the skin take oxygen, delaying aging and wrinkles, and it also helps to reduce excessive and unwanted facial and armpit hair. So after that, we're going to be creating the tomato also. Alright, so this video is just filled with creating and creating and creating and creating. Alright, so I'm going to be doing it in a circular motion so I can have the tomato looking very smooth. Yeah, that's it. And the next ingredient, we're going to be needing pure gram flour. Gram flour is a versatile ingredient. It fights pimples, removes tan, reduces the oiliness of the skin, and moisturizes it. It can be mixed with a variety of ingredients to clean and nourish the skin. It makes the skin shiny. It helps your skin glow, and it removes unwanted hair. It also gets rid of dandruff. Alright, guys. Alright guys, so to mix this, I'm going to be needing half tablespoon of the pure gram flour. And the last ingredient we're going to be needing will be turmeric powder. Now you can buy turmeric powder in a local market where they sell dry spices. Okay, turmeric powder helps with acne scarring. Turmeric powder reduces the appearances of acne and any resulting scars. Turmeric is also known as reduced scarring, and it contains anti-inflammatory quality that can target your pores and calm the skin. And it also helps to remove all unwanted hair. And a half tablespoon of the turmeric powder. Okay, mixing this together. Alright, so I would have to be giving it a little time to mix and mix really well. Although it's gonna be looking Alright guys, so I'm just gonna be mixing all of this ingredient together, and this is just how it's gonna be looking like. Okay, it's just gonna be looking like this. And alright guys, so here is the hair removal treatment, and I've already put some on my armpits, but unfortunately the camera wasn't taking that, so I just had to show you again how I'm doing this. So you just have to take a bunch of it, like so much, and then you put it under your armpits, and then you make sure that it covers the hair. Okay, so when it covers the hair, it will be able to melt and dissolve the hair, so that when you wash it off there won't be any hair there. Okay, so you have to use this for a couple of days, just like few days, just like you see me do. I'm just stylishly waiting for it to get dry, so when it gets dry I'll have to wash it off. So that's how you're just gonna do it, and all of your armpit hair will be gone. So the thing is that you can't actually store this treatment. You have to make a new one anytime you want to apply this hair removal remedy, and you have to apply it consecutively 3 times. Okay, 3 times, like you have to apply it for 3 days. Okay, like every day you apply it, and it's gonna remove all of those hair on your armpit, and also it's just going to help in delaying the growth of a new hair. Alright, so that's it guys. So basically that's just it. Using carrot alongside with other natural remedy, it will help you so much in getting rid of armpit hair rapidly, and it's not gonna grow again. Alright, so if you did love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, drop your questions on my website, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I will see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful, and bye guys.